going on, guys? In the previous video I have shown you guys how to print out hello world. In this video I'm going to show you how to delay time in VHDL using wait for statement. Now to delay the timing, here you can see here we have wait. Now let's see what happens if we remove this one and run. So when I run this one, you can see it's going forever, right? This hello world is going forever. And it has stopped because of maximum because I'm using the online compiler, so it doesn't allow more than certain level, so it stopped. But it will go forever if you don't use the wait. So to delay the time, what you have to do is, instead of wait, let's say we want to delay by 10 nanoseconds, so wait for 10 nanoseconds. That's it. Wait for 10 nanoseconds and a semicolon. Now let's go and run this one now. Now you can see the time is delayed. Okay, actually it also goes forever, but each time it's 10 second delayed. Now let's see without this. When I run without that, you can see there's no delay. There's zero, like it doesn't even show any delay. It just runs like this. But if I put 10 nanoseconds, each time it will be delayed by 10 nanoseconds. Wait for 10 nanoseconds. Now you can see each time there's a variation of 10 nanoseconds on each of the printing. Okay, and that's how we delay the time in VHDL programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn VHDL programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.